MOP Mojo, the Sambal Violence and Updates on the Places of Worship Act. It was on November 24th that riots broke out in Sambal, a district in Uttar Pradesh, over a court-ordered survey of the Shahi Jama Masjid. At least 5 people died and 20 police personnel were injured in the violence that erupted. But what is this all about? Why did the court-mandated survey spark protests and escalate to violence? About 2,750 unidentified persons were booked by the Uttar Pradesh police for inciting violence and causing injuries to 20 policemen in Sambal. This mob of thousands was determined to repeal a court-ordered survey of a site of historical, cultural and religious significance, a site that currently houses a mosque built during the reign of Babur in the 16th century, the Shahi Jama Masjid. The dispute originated with a complaint filed by Supreme Court lawyer Vishnu Shankar Jain, alleging that the present Shahi Masjid stands on the site of the historic Harihar Mandir, which he claimed was demolished by Mughal ruler Babur in 1529 and is being used forcibly and unlawfully by the Jama Masjid Committee. The survey was conducted on November 19th and November 24th, and riots broke out on 24th when the survey team showed up at the mosque. The management committee of the Shahi Jama Masjid later approached the Supreme Court, surpassing the High Court, challenging the trial court's order, and argued that the mosque has been in existence since the 16th century and has been in continuous use by Muslims as a place of worship, but the matter was rushed through in hot haste. They also cited the Places of Worship Act 1991, which maintains status quo for religious institutions across the country as on August 15, 1947. In November, the Supreme Court, in its order, while underlining that peace and harmony must prevail, directed the trial court to temporarily halt proceedings in the matter and also asked the Mosque Management Committee to approach the Allahabad High Court against the trial court's order. On January 8th, the Allahabad High Court ordered a stay on the proceedings in the case by the trial court in Sambal till February 25th, which is also the next date of hearing of the matter in the High Court. March 5 has been fixed as the next date of hearing in the lower court. Meanwhile, the file on the riots that occurred 46 years ago in Sambal is set to be reopened. Yes, this is not the first time Sambal is seeing a clash. Previously, 29 March 1978 saw violence in Sambal. This decision was made following a statement by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in the State Assembly. What shall unfold remains to be seen.